Toyota 6HP transmission shudder torque converter repair process. First, cut open the torque converter to examine its internal structure. The friction disc inside is worn and detached. Applying a new friction disc will resolve the issue. Clean up the old friction disc. This step requires a patching machine. Heat the friction disc. Heating in progress. The friction disc is now attached. Next, reassemble the torque converter. Assembly completed. Now, prepare for welding. Secure the torque converter. Align the weld seam. Begin welding. Welding completed successfully. The final step is pressure testing for leaks. Toyota 680 torque converter repair completed.